these red tips that we built. Put on this land for the berries are full. 1,000 birds in these trees. Right now you can't even hardly see them. Beautiful moon. It's an amazing thing. Here's the view from underneath, and you can see them flying over. They're everywhere in this tree. They're eating these berries, and they just love it. View of the berries, the trees, and the property. And they're building this house and putting in the doors and the walls, and done with that. These are the people that almost sent the police to me and said you shouldn't be making videos on our property. They did not like it. It is, what are we doing, man? What are we doing?